Hello kids, welcome back to our fun learning channel. Today, we're going to learn about measurement of height, width, and length. Do you know how to tell which object is taller, wider, or longer? Let's find out together. Everything around us has a size. We can measure height, width, and length to compare objects. Height tells us how tall or short something is. Width tells us how wide or narrow something is. Length tells us how long or short something is. Now, let's look at some examples. Let's start with height. Look at these trees. Which one is the tallest? That's right. The tallest tree is this one. And which one is the shortest? Yes, this one here is the shortest tree. Now, let's talk about width. Look at these stairs. Which one is the widest? Yes, this one is the widest, and which one is the narrowest? You got it. This stair here is the narrowest. Next, let's measure temperature. Look at these thermometers. Which thermometer shows the highest temperature? That's right, the one with the red liquid at the top. And which thermometer shows the lowest temperature? Yes, the yellow thermometer with the liquid at the bottom shows the lowest temperature. Finally, let's compare length. Look at these pencils. Which pencil is the longest? Yes, the one on the right is the longest pencil. And which pencil is the shortest? That's right. The small pencil on the left is the shortest. Great job, kids! Now you know how to compare objects based on their size. That's all for today's lesson on measurement of height, width, and length. Look around your home and try comparing objects using these concepts. If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting lessons. See you next time. Bye-bye.